Now in today's video I'm going to be giving you an update on my giant onions for the Giant Onion Growing Challenge 24-25, and it starts by bringing an end to their easy lifestyle. I'm Gang Gang, welcome to the channel. Gang Gang and Peanut, two peas in a pod. Now for the past few months these giant onions have been living here in my grow tent, and they've been doing nothing but partying all day with their pumpkin pals. They've been enjoying the sunshine, they've been drinking dilute seaweed feed, and they've even got a fan that blows on them all day. But that's about to change because it's time for these pampered onions to get themselves out and into the big wide world. Okay, so here we are back in the greenhouse, and I've brought down one of the onions from the grow tent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant him into this bucket. This is 30 centimetres round the top, and I believe it's 30 centimetres deep. There's plenty of holes in the bottom for drainage. I'm going to fill it with this compost, and the compost is a mix of 2 parts sifted multi-purpose compost, 1 part John Innes, and that gives it a lovely sandy texture which helps with the drainage. I'm also going to add some perlite, and that should keep it nice and aerated. And I'm going to add some of these. And these are fertiliser pellets, which are specifically for onions, I believe. So I'll mix that all up, fill that bucket, and then I'll show you the giant onion. I'll just show you quickly what I'm using to scoop all this compost up. This was my Easter present, much better than an Easter egg. It's one of these, and it's a little scoop, and it's made of metal handle. There we are. And I think it's much stronger than one of those plastic ones that I've been using. So I'm quite pleased with that. Thank you very much, Mr. Easter Bunny. So that's that filled up. I'll move that to one side. And now, let's get one of the onions. Now this onion is one of the ones that's been happy partying away in the grow tent. And it's come on quite well actually. It's not the biggest one I have, but it is a very nicely formed onion, I think, if you can see that. So I'm going to take it out of this container, and obviously I'm going to put it in that container. And at this moment, the onion anxiety is back. If you saw one of my earlier videos, you'll know that I was getting quite anxious when the onions were tiny little seedlings. And I was worried that they may or may not make it through the cold period over the winter when they were growing. But let's see if I can get this out of here without damaging it, and have a look at the roots on it. Whoa, let's rest it on the top of there. Take this off, come on. There we go. Woo. Now that is not a bad root system on there, if you can see that. That's not too bad. Quite pleased with that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the mycorrhizal fungi, give it a dusting of the mycorrhizal. Be very careful not to damage it. Oh, that's a bit worrying. Careful, careful, don't damage it. Oh my God. There. I'll stand that back up and I'll pop that there in a moment. And then take this out of here. A dusting of mycorrhizal in the planting hole. Here we are. And let's see if I can get this onion in there without damaging it. Come on, nice and gently. Pop it in that hole. Oh, crikey. Crikey, that's a worry. Oh dear. So that's nicely popped in there. That should be quite happy growing away in there, and that's probably where it's going to stay. And what I will do, I'm going to need to support the leaves or the flags on it. And let me show you what I'm going to do to support the leaves. Let me find it. Where is it? So what I'm going to use is one of these. I don't know if you can see that very well, but that is a wire plant support. I'm going to use that. I'm going to try and pop it over the top of these the leaves or the flags and use it to replace the sticks and the clips. Let's see if I can do that. Now, carefully, carefully. It has to go over all of these. And all of these. And gently feed down. Whoa, I've missed one. Let's start that again. So it's got to go over all of these. Here we are. They're all going through the centre here. Yeah, there's one there. Oh, there we are. That's okay. Through the centre. Through the centre. And into this. There we are. Look at that. And I go right down in there. Now that means I can then take the sticks away, the little canes that I've been using, with the clips. Take those away. And I can then use this as a support for these flags. There, look at that. Good job. So, I will finish tidying that up. I'll then give them a bit of a watering. And that is where I am with the Giant Onion Growing Challenge. And I'm quite pleased with how things are moving on. I'm not going to show you how to do all of the others, but they'll be done in exactly the same way. Excellent. So I'm pleased with that. That's the onions moved on for the Giant Onion Growing Challenge 24-25, being hosted by Pete Trenuth, and I'll put a link to Pete's channel in the description below. Now, it won't be too long before I have to start doing something about these chilies, because I'm also taking part in the longest chili challenge being hosted by Jason at Allotment of the Dead. And again, I'll put a link to Jason's channel down below if you want to go and find out what that is all about. Now, the temperature in this greenhouse is 27.2 degrees. That's getting pretty warm. The days are getting longer, the temperatures are picking up, and I'm going to need to do something to cool down this greenhouse. And if you want to see what I'm going to do, you'll have to watch my next video. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment down below telling me what you would have done better or different. I don't mind. I'm always happy to get comments. Or maybe consider clicking the subscribe button. Come along and join us on the channel and see some of the crazy stuff that we get up to. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you very, very, very much for watching. I'm Gang Gang. This is Gang Gang and Peanuts. 2 peas in a pod. And as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.